Hello guys, so for this video, we're asked to get what is the value of log 5 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 3. So, makikita natin base 2 at saka base 3 yan, hindi base 10. So, we will answer this one or susulat muna din natin siya log 5 base 2 plus log 5 base 3. So, ano daw yung value? So, pag ganyan, isusulat natin siya na magiging base 10. So, magiging log 5 base 10 over log of 2 base 10. So, makikita niyo 2 at saka 5. Itong isa, same din. Log 5 base 10 over ito, log of 3 base 10. So, if you will use your calculator, kung hindi nyo alam yung mga ganyan, may yung log 2 at saka log 3, you can use log 10. Ganyan lang yung pagkasulat. So, if you will use your calculator, the answer here is 3.79. So, for this video, evaluate lang natin si log 845 with a base of 6 is equal to x. So, ito po, ang gagawin lang natin is i-rewrite lang natin siyang ganito. Pag ganyan, log, so magiging 845, so ang magiging base niya na will be 10, divided by log of 6 base 10. So, if you will use your calculator, it will become 3.76. So, ganun lang po siya ka-easy.